Ever pondered the magic of investing? The thought of your money working for you while you sleep is indeed alluring. But where do you start? Today, we're going to break down 6 essential strategies to kickstart your investing journey. Firstly, a fundamental principle of investing is to start early. The power of compound interest is not something to be underestimated. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Imagine your savings as a snowball rolling down a hill. The further it travels, the bigger it gets. Secondly, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across a variety of assets. This way, even if one investment performs poorly, others may do well, balancing out your overall returns. The third tip is to automate your savings. This means setting up a regular transfer from your checking account to your investment account. Automating your savings takes the decision-making out of the equation, making it easier for you to consistently save. Fourthly, always have an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund provides a safety net for unexpected expenses. This fund should be separate from your investment portfolio and should ideally cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Fifthly, research before you invest. Never invest in something you don't understand. Take the time to get to know the companies or funds you're considering. Look at their track record, their plans for the future, and their financial health. The 6th and final tip is to never stop learning. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and staying informed is crucial. Read books, follow finance blogs, listen to podcasts, or even take a course. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Investing might seem daunting at first, but with these 6 strategies, you'll be well on your way to financial success. If you found this video helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy investing.